Hello students, welcome to IT Planet. I am Saroj Mehta, your computer teacher. Today I am here to discuss chapter number 6, that is Internet Ethics and Safeguard. Student, few topics are already covered in the previous videos. So here I am going to cover the following topics. Safe password, cookies, vulnerabilities, cyberbullying, hacking and its precautions. So before starting the first topic, I again want to discuss that what is computer ethics. Students, ethics means what to do and what not to do. Regarding computer, same thing is here. While you use computer, what are the things that you should do and what are the things you should not to do. So first topic is safe password and its precaution. When you add your username and password to log in your account to a particular website, web browser sometimes display a prompt message that offer to remember the password you have written. If you click on yes and then access the website in future, the web browser bypasses the login page and takes you directly to the site. Thereafter, anyone who uses your computer can also access your account from the site. So students, if you click on remember password and someone else is going to access your computer, he or she can access without password. So what you have to remember, do not click on the checkbox to remember password, or do not share your password with anyone and don't type the password if someone is around. Moving on ahead, so our next topic is cookies. What is cookies? A cookies is a small text message that a web browser stores on your computer to keep track of website. Cookies file typically contain data about you, such as your name, postal code, or viewing preferences. Website use cookies for a variety of purpose. For example, online shopping sites generally use cookies to keep track of items in a user's shopping cart. Other websites use cookies to track how often users visit a particular website. So what are the precautions should be taken care? Some websites sell or trade information stored on your cookies to advertisers. So if you do not want personal information distributed, you should limit the amount of information you provide to a website or adjust how your browser handle cookies. Another precaution that you can take care, clear or disable cookies in your browser. Most modern browsers allow user to decide whether to accept cookies and the time frame to keep them. However, rejecting cookies makes some website unreadable. Moving ahead to the next topic, our next topic is vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities are flaws in computer software that weaken overall security of your computer. It can also be created by improper computer or security configuration. Cyber criminals like hackers and crackers exploit the weaknesses and damage the computer or tamper its data. So what are the precautions should be taken care? Keep software and security patches up to date. Configure security setting for your operating system and internet browser. Install an antivirus and keep it updated to block threats targeting vulnerabilities. Another thing, clean cookies. Cookies I have already discussed in previous slide. What is cookies? The small text that keep tracking your personal information. So clean cookies in your browser. Moving ahead to the next topic. Our next topic is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has become very common among the teenagers. So students, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is harassment that takes place using technology, which includes sending or forwarding threatening text message, posting embarrassing photos of someone without his or her permission, or setting up a fake online social networking page where other make harsh comment and spread rumors about someone. So creating a fake account and spreading some wrong message is come under cyberbullying. So what are the precautions should be taken care? Never give your personal information and password to any unknown person. He or she can use this information to harass you. Another thing, check the privacy setting usually found on the setting on most social networking sites to set permissions, so you can control who can review your profile and photos, make comments, and if desired, block certain people from viewing your page. Another thing, you should search your name on major search engine like Google on regular basis. If any personal information or photo appears which may be used for cyberbullying, you must take an action to remove it and be safe. Another thing, installation of filtering software on the computer can protect teenager from viewing inappropriate content online. Our next topic is hacking. The term hacker refers to someone who accesses a computer or network illegally. This is known as hacking. This can happen either on positive or negative reason. Some hacker claims the internet of their security breaches is to improve security. This is called positive hacking, or generally it is called ethical hacking. Other hackers develop computer malware or virus to gain access to confidential information, that is a negative hacking. Student, you might heard the name cracker. A cracker is someone who also accesses a computer or network illegally but has the intent to destroying data, stealing information, or other malicious action. Both hackers and crackers have advanced computer and networking skill, but I would like to say here that hacking and cracking both are illegal. So what are the precautions you should taken care? You should make a strong password and change it frequently. Your password should be at least 6 characters long and include at least one number, letter, combination of upper letter and lower letter, and special characters like @sign, exclamation sign, star sign, etc. Your new password should be different from any other password you have used. It is strongly advised that you use different password for different accounts to be safe. So hope all the topics are clear to you all. So the remaining topics will be continued on the next video. Till the time, enjoy e-learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.